Let me just say, shooting a video a day, even though it's like a super short video, you know what I'm saying it's like what, 5 minutes or whatever, it's tough when you're busy. And today is no different, you know what I mean? But I said I'm gonna I said I'm gonna do this. So this is what we're gonna do. We doing 10 days. We're counting down till my workshop on Saturday, October 28th at 11 a.m. Eastern. I want you to come through. I'm gonna show project managers how and why they need a project site and how to do it. That's the aim of the workshop. And over the 10 days that we've been counting down so far, leading up to the workshop, I've been building a website, a DEI website, diversity, equity, and inclusion. So what we have is a site with what we did. We put a picture on it. We put buttons. We put links to policies. We put a survey on it. We did all kinds of things. Today, I'm about to incorporate video. I want to show you that, first of all, there's too many options to incorporate video into what you're doing. But I'm going to show you only two, because I like to keep these short, of how you could use video on your DEI website. What I show you in any of these videos is just an example of what's possible. You take it and run with it, or learn deeply about it by coming to one of my workshops. This workshop coming up is specifically about these websites, about why you need a project website and how to do it. So yeah, come through October 28th, 11 a.m. The link should be in the comments wherever this video is posted. Let's hop into the video play bar. Okay, we're back at our DEI site. We see the picture we put at the top, a link to the survey, a link to the DEI conference where people can go and register. We're going to do video today. We're going to add video on this site. We're going to edit the page, and then I'm going to show you the very super simple, straightforward way. There's a YouTube web part. How easy is that? Go to YouTube, copy the link for this Ted Barrington area library talk, and then take the link and paste it right into there. And then, wait a couple seconds, and what do you got? A YouTube video embedded on the page. Super easy. So this would be great if you came across something on YouTube that you wanted your team to check out, and you just dropped it right there on the front page. So easy, right? Now, there's one more option, and actually here, yeah, let me drag this around and show you what this looks like. So maybe you got this big old YouTube video. You don't want to have it taking up all that space down there at the bottom. You want to drag it around, and you make it small over there. Or you could drag it to the left here and make it a little bit bigger. You know what I'm saying? Use up a little bit more space. You have those options, and it's very easy for you to do that. All right. Now let's get rid of that. Republish the page. And let's show you the other option. So in the Microsoft 365 suite, there's a tool called Microsoft Stream. This is your video hosting tool. I host a bunch of videos on my stream, and what you see here are the last few videos that I just recorded. Now, this video is actually from this series of 10-day countdown to the workshop. I did that video yesterday. I'm going to take this video and I'm going to put it on our page. Now, here's the cool thing about it. Actually, here, let's edit the page first. Let me tell you this. So I'm going to click edit on the page. Then I'm going to hit the plus sign so I can find my web part, and I'm going to type in media. And I'm going to look for this one right here, file and media. I'm going to click from a link, and I'm going to paste the link from that Microsoft Stream video. And voila, here's the video on the page, right from inside of the suite. So this is a Microsoft Stream video that I posted here to the site. Now, the reason why I want to stress that it's in-house is because just think about it. You could just go to Microsoft Stream, turn on the camera, create an address for your team, save it, and then put it right here on this page without having to go extra and getting a third-party tool or doing any of that. The video just sits right here on the page. Look, see, you click play, you knock it out. We could even add some comments on here. So if I click comment, you know, jot down a quick comment. This video is so cool. You know what I mean? And you're doing all of this in-house. You have not gone out to find a third-party tool to do any of this. You're just doing everything in-house. Now let's delete this. And I want you to remember, you have a ton of options. I've only shown you 2. Tomorrow we will pick back up